Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. As we are moving to the new year, I'm trying to be a little bit of cautious in the next trading days. So here's my trading plan for what can happen and what cannot happen and how we should anticipate and trade these days and this price action. Trying to move to a new format of review, market recap, and trading plan, as I don't want to use any more time, so I'll be using only price. So for the price action that is happening lately is everything of this drop in here was to mitigate this level in here, and as you see, after we tapped the below the 50%, you see that we traded above, we took this high, and then we're trading back again. So you remember this SNDR that took the all-time high, we came back, tap it at the 50%, and then start trading high, right? So what do we have now is that after we tap it below the 50% of this entire range, right, the range that mitigated the SNDR and started giving another all-time highs, right? So after we tapped the 50%, right, we had a shift internally, right? And I'm choosing this one in here because this was the last swing point that bring this low, and then we breached that swing point, right? And I'm putting the rectangle and the 50% to show that we failed to take this high. What that means that we might trade lower, right? As is, if it was the Phoenix setup, we have a failure in the first sequence, right? But we can keep trading lower in here and then start trading and taking this high, or we can come and take the low entirely to trade at the 70%, sorry. So what I want to see a reaction to the downside, and especially to this level in here. So if we see a change in the structure in here, I will be engaging for longs, trying to reach this at least in here, the 50%, and maybe another all-time highs. But as it is the last trading days of the year, so I better be cautious and not do stupid decisions. So what I want to see a trade in here and taking this high, so I can wait for another pullback and trade higher, or I will wait for maybe this to be taken out, right, and then retracement lower and then going higher until this level, which is the 22k60, right? So that's it for the trading plan for the entire week. This is the hourly charts, so take it easily and don't make stupid decisions.